Developing a warrior mindset and strategy for delivering world-class projects. Hi, this is 𝗠𝗀𝗁𝗲𝗿, your very own real estate strategist. So today I am going to be sharing with you some tips on how to deliver world-class projects, delivering a warrior mindset and strategy. Delivering a warrior mindset and strategy, for delivering world-class project requires a combination of mental preparation, strategic planning, and effective execution. So I am going to be sharing few, inputs that is going to help you develop this mindset and strategy, where attention goes, energy flows, and result shows. So I am going to be talking about vision and purpose. What is vision and purpose? You need to be defining a clear vision for your project and its intended impact on the people, intended impact on the world. We need to identify the purpose behind the project, ensuring that it aligns with your values and goals. It's about mental toughness. We must cultivate resilience and mental toughness to overcome challenges and setbacks. Embrace a growth mindset that basically views failures as opportunities for learnings and improvement. It's about goal setting. It's about setting smart goals, which is nothing but specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals for your project. Then we need to be breaking down larger objectives into smaller manageable tasks. It's about strategic planning. We need to develop a comprehensive project plan that outlines the scope, timeline, budget, and resources required. We need to be creating contingency plans to address potential risks and obstacles. It's about team building. Assemble a high-performing team with diverse skills and expertise. Foster a culture of collaboration, trust, and accountability among team members. It's about leadership and communication. Lead by example and inspire your team through effective leadership. We got to establish clear communication channels and maintain not only open but transparent communication. It's about adaptability. Be open to change and adapt your strategy as needed based on evolving circumstances. We got to anticipate and prepare for potential disruptions or unexpected challenges. It's about time management. We got to prioritize tasks and allocate them effectively to meet project deadlines. Eliminate distractions and focus on high impact and activities. It's about quality and excellence. Emphasize a commitment to quality and excellence in every aspect of the project. Implement robust quality control and assurance processes. It's about risk management. Identify potential risks and develop mitigation strategies. Continuously monitor and assess project risks and make adjustments as necessary. It's about data and analytics. Utilize data and analytics to make informed decisions and measure project progress. Implement key performance indicators, which is also known as KPIs, to track success of project. It's about continuous improvement. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement within the project team. Conduct post-project evaluations to identify lessons learned and areas of enhancement. It's about resilience. Be prepared for setbacks and adversity and maintain the determination to push forward. Develop stress management techniques and maintain work-life balance. It's about stakeholder engagement. Engage with key stakeholders and ensure their needs and expectations are addressed. It's about building strong relationships with stakeholders to gain their support. It's about ethical conduct. Uphold a strong sense of ethics and integrity in all project activities. It's about ensuring compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and industry standards. It's about training and development. Invest in the continuous training and development of your project team through training skill building programs. Celebrate and recognize. Acknowledge and celebrate milestones and achievements to boost team morale and motivation. It's about documentation and knowledge sharing. maintained through documentation of the project's progress and decisions, encourage knowledge sharing to ensure that the team benefits from collective wisdom. It's about agility. Embrace agile project management methodologies to respond quickly to changing requirements. It's about persistence. Never give up. Keep working towards the project goals even when faced with challenges. By incorporating these inputs into your project management approach, you can actually develop a warrior mindset and strategy for delivering world-class projects, ensuring success and making a lasting impact. There is a saying, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Thank you and stay connected. Please do not forget to comment in the link below for updates or improvement. And you can also write any videos you will be needing so that I can prepare videos accordingly. Thanking you, signing off for now. See you in my next video.